Hello everyone, this is Harlan Bospisuros, Senior Technical Analyst here at IronFX Global, bringing you today's technical updates. Today I will talk about Euro Dollar, which is getting closer to the psychological line of 130, and about Sterling Dollar, which remained near the 160-260 barrier a few days ahead of the Scottish independence referendum. So let's start our technical treatment with Euro Dollar. Euro USD moved somewhat higher on Friday, getting closer to the psychological barrier of 130 and the lower boundary of the prior blue downside channel, the channel connecting the highs and the lows on the daily chart. The MACD continued higher and seems ready to end, just obtained a positive sign, while the RSI crossed above its 50 line. Having these signs in mind, I will maintain my view that we may see the rate challenging the psychological line of 130 as a resistance this time. Nevertheless, on the daily chart, the price structure remains lower highs and lower lows below both the 50 and the 200-day moving averages. Thus, I still see a negative overall picture, and I would consider the recent advances as a corrective phase before sellers take control again. A clear move below 128.60 is likely to trigger extensions towards the key support zone of 127.60, defined by the lows of March and July 2013. Now let's move on to cable. The sterling dollar currency pair continued trading near the 160-260 key line, remaining capped by the 50 period moving average. Taking into account that the price is trading below the blue downtrend line and below both the moving averages, the near-term technical picture remains negative in my view, and I would consider the recent advance as a corrective move. Zooming on the 1-hour chart now, I see negative divergence between the price action and both our hourly momentum studies, amplifying the case that the next leg could be to the downside. On the daily chart, in the bigger picture, as long as cable is forming lower highs and lower lows below the 80-day exponential moving average, the longer term trend remains to the downside in my opinion. Nevertheless, a few days ahead of the Scottish independence referendum, I would prefer to take the sidelines as the outcome could change the whole picture. I would like to take a view after the results. So that's it for today. For more analysis and charts, please read the full comment on IronFX.com. You can also follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Harlan Bospisuros, Senior Technical Analyst at IronFX Global, wishing you solid trading.